I was born a young chick, wild and free, filled with desires. I sit nestled atop a high tree. Then came a day, and I was brought to the ground. So that you could mentor and help me steer around. You become my companion in these growing years and teach that life is all about fighting my fears. I have wings, but you teach me to fly. You give me roots so that I continue to stay high. There will come a day when I take my flight to explore the world and shine like a bright light. Until then, stay beside me, steadfast and kind, and nurture me into one with big heart and brave mind.
We Agnelites would like to say it with immense pride that Fr.Agnel School is our second home where fun and learning go together. Life here is about exploring new concepts each day with an equal focus on acquiring essential skills. Like reading, critical thinking, and problem solving. Our school is not just about academics. We are given an opportunity to explore and pursue our interest in other areas as well. Be it music, dance, art, and sports. We are also encouraged to participate in various intra- and inter-school activities organized around the year, which contribute to our interpersonal development. We are taught that we are born with wings, and the education we acquire at school helps us to think big, dream big, and aspire to fly high. But life is not about flying alone. It's about enabling others to fly along. We are therefore groomed to develop qualities like love, care, and mutual respect for others. We desire to live by our motto, love your neighbor as yourself, as we aspire to be a true Agnelite. For success in life depends not only on how high we fly, but also on how far we reach.